Hello children, in our last video we have discussed about the reciprocal of numbers just to have started. So today also we'll continue that topic, the reciprocal of fractions. So we'll discuss now the properties of reciprocal of fractions. Let's do. Children, all of you take out your page number 20. There is given here from your book number 4 that properties of reciprocal of fractions. And here the property number 1 is reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. As you can see here, just we have learned that day we have discussed that reciprocal of proper fraction, that means 5 by 11 is a proper fraction as 11 is denominator is greater number than the numerator 5. So its reciprocal means just opposite one, what will be 11 by, after interchanging what you have got 11 by 5. Okay, so this is the improper fraction. And here also one example is given, 3 by 7 is, it will be what, 7 by 3. Same way property number 2 is reciprocal of a whole number is a proper fraction. See here, the reciprocal of 2 is what, it will be 1 by 2 I have told. And how we have got here children, see here 2 means it's actually 2 by 1. And if we write the reciprocal, so how we'll write, it will be interchange, just as after interchanging we can get that reciprocal. So it will be what, 1 will be enough and 2 will be down, so half. Okay, and if you see as the product will be same, so 2 by 1 into 1 by 2, what we will get here, product must be 1, so 2 we can cancel, 1 same, so we are getting 1. Okay, so what we are getting, 1. That means it will be 2 by 1 means actually 1 half. Okay, that's way. So reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is a proper fraction, and here 2 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So 4 is a whole number, 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. And now let's discuss the next property, property 3. Reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. See here, reciprocal of 11 by 3, if you interchange you will get 3 by 11. And see the next property is reciprocal of a mixed fraction is a proper fraction. Children, suppose mixed fraction we have to do, there is suppose 1 by 2, it's a mixed fraction. And how we'll write the reciprocal of this fraction, you don't be confused that this 2 will give up and 1 will lose. At first you have to convert into the improper fraction, then you have to write. Okay, see here how we can convert, all of you know that this 2 you have to multiply plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 to 4 plus 1 divided by 2, so 5 by 2. And a reciprocal will be what, reciprocal of 5 by 2 is, how it will be, 2 by 5. Okay, just we have to interchange. So it's a 5 by 2 is a what, it's a improper fraction, and 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. Okay, this only said here in the property 4. Okay, so reciprocal of a mixed fraction is a proper fraction. See, as we have to convert into improper fraction, then we have to convert. Okay, reciprocal you have to write. So after converting we are getting improper fraction, so if you write the reciprocal of this improper fraction, we are getting the proper fraction. All right, now let's see property number 5, that reciprocal of 1 is 1, that one we have discussed already. Property 6 is 0 does not have any reciprocal, that one also we have taught. Okay, so these are the fractions basics. Now children, see here exercise 6.9 we are going to solve. Question number 1 is find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. So there are some fractions are given, I have done few, so you can see here. Question number 1, a 3 by 4. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 will be what, 4 by 3, else we have to just interchange 4 by 3. And 12, so reciprocal of 12 will be 1 by 2. Okay, now reciprocal of 8 by 11 will be what, 11 by 8. Just we have to numerator we have to make denominator, and denominator we have to make numerator. All right, and reciprocal of 4 times of 2 by 5 is equal to what, after converting 4 into 5 plus 2, it's 22 by 5. So reciprocal of it means 22 by 5 is what, it will be 5 by 22. Just we have to interchange. Okay, 5 we have to write enough and 22 is down. So this is the result. Same way the rest of the sums of reciprocal fraction can be solved by you. Thank you. So children, we have learned now how to write a reciprocal of number. So after interchanging the denominator and the numerator of that fraction, we are getting the reciprocal of that number. But now we are going to discuss a new topic, that is division of a fraction by a whole number. How we'll do it, children? See, there are some rules. One is, a fraction divided by a whole number is equal to the fraction into reciprocal of the whole number. See, let's do one example. Suppose 7 by 11 divided by a whole number 14. Okay, how we'll do it, children? So at first we'll see the reciprocal of the whole number. So reciprocal of the whole number, here it is what? Whole number is 14. Yes or no? 14 here, it's a whole number. So reciprocal of 14 means here 14 by 1, that means it will be what? 1 by 14. And so now divide, that means 7 by 11 is divided by 14 is equal to 7 by 11 into this one we have to change. So subtraction will be same, 7 by 11, and the sign will be changed. The sign is divide here, here it will be multiply. At the time we have changed the sign, that time only simultaneously we have to write here the reciprocal of that fraction. So whole number, sorry. So whole number 1 by 14. Okay. Now let's do 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. So what we have got here, 1 by 11 into 2. So it means 1 by 22. This is the result. Alright. Now we'll do the division of a fraction by a fraction. So in order to divide a fraction by another fraction, we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. That means the dividend means here, it means the first fraction, and the divisor is the second fraction. Alright. So here suppose 3 by 14 is divided by 2 by 7. Okay, children. So we'll look for the, it's the divisor as it is divided. Okay, so we'll see the reciprocal of 2 by 7. So how we'll do it, children? 3 by 14. Here, if we change the signs here, divide is there, if we change it by multiplication, simultaneously we'll write the reciprocal of the second fraction. That means 2 by 7. So it will be what? 7 by 2. Okay, children. Now we can solve it here like this. 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is what? It's 14. So result will be what? Like how we can solve? 3 by 2 into 2, it's 3 by 4. Alright. So what we have done here, just to have write the rest as, since you want to write reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. This one only we have multiplied with this here. And remind it, children, mind it, when at the time you have changed the sign, that time only you have write the reciprocal of the number. Okay, as it means dividing. So all of you know that what we're getting, 1 by 2. This half means what? It means 1 divided by 2. Okay, so then only we are getting the reciprocal. Alright, now let's do the division of a whole number by a fraction. Number 3, a whole number divided by a fraction, we are getting the whole number into the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, children, see here, suppose a whole number, for example, suppose a whole number is 42 is divided by a fraction 6 by 7. So how we can get the result? See, what you have to do, the whole number into the reciprocal of the fraction. So whole number is 42 into what? We have to change this sign. In divided, here you try to into. So when you have changed the sign, that time only we have to change the reciprocal of the fraction. So fraction is 6 by 7. So reciprocal of 6 by 7 will be what? 7 by 6. Now we can solve it. 42, it means this is half, numerator and whole the number we have to multiply. So 6 1 is 6, 6 7 is 42. So it will be 7 into 7. The result will be 49. Alright, children. So I hope that's clear to now how we have done. Same way we'll do the exercise questions now. Now children, from the exercise 6.9, we are going to solve the question number 2. Divide each of the following. So 5 by 7 by 15 is there. So how we can do it, children? 5 by 7 divided by 15. So which it's a whole number. 15 is a whole number, so 15 by 7, 5 by 7, sorry, it's divided sign. We will change it by multiplication signs. Okay, so multiplied by 15. Reciprocal of 15 means what? It's 1 by 15. S is down is 1. Okay, so 1 by 15, children. So 1 by 15. Now we can cancel. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So what we have got now after cancel out? 1 by 7 into 3 is 1 by 21. 7 3 is 21. Okay, now let's do the C number 1. 25 by 27 by 15. So just now we have learned the rule that it's a whole number. So what we have to write? We have to change the sign is multiplication, and the 15 is a whole number, so we have to write the reciprocal of the whole number. So 15 whole number will be 1 by 15. So 25 by 27 into 1 by 15. As we have changed the sign, so we have write the reciprocal. Okay, now 5 5 is 15, 25, and 5 3 is 15. So what we have got here? 5 by 27 here. 5 by 27 into 3, it means 81. Okay, so this is the result. Same way I have shown here E number. 7 of 3 by 7 by 12. So 7 of 3 by 7 divided by 12 means, by means is divided. So it's after converting 7 into 7 plus 3, it's 52 by 7. Divided sign is there, so if multiplied, so it will be 1 by 12. As we have changed the sign, 1 by 12. Now here you can see 4 3 is 12 and 4 13 is 50. So we can cancel it both the by factor 4. So it will be 13 into 1 divided by 7 into 3. So 13 by 27 into 3 is 21. So 13 by 21. This is the result. Okay, children, I hope it's clear to you now. Now let's do our next question, that is question number 3. And the rest of the sums from the question number 2 can be solved by you now. So let's do here. So 5 divided by 5 by 7. So what do you have to do here, children? 5 is a whole number divided by 5 by 7. It's a fraction. So we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. So reciprocal of this fraction will be what? 7 by 12. Just we have to interchange it here. Children. So it will be 7 by 5, and when we have interchange this, so we have to change the sign also. It's a divide, so we have to write here multiplication sign. Okay, so 5 into 7 by 5, and these two are multiplied, numerator and whole number. So 5 into 7 divided by 5. So 5 and 5 we can cancel. At 5 is 5 1 5, 5 1 5. Now is 7, only 7 is the result. Alright, now let's do the B number 1. 11 divided by 22 by 25. So 11 into, we have changed the sign into, and so 25 by 22. Now 11 1 is 11 and 11 2 is 22. So what we have got here? 25 by 2, and 25 by 2 we can write as this is a improper fraction, we can write in the mixed fraction 12 times of 1 by 2, as 12 into 2 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So we are getting same result. Alright, so now let's do that F number. 27 divided by 9 by 11. So 27 into 11 by 9. So 9 and 1 9. Here you can see 9 and 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So what you have got here after consider 3 into 11. So what you have got here, 3 into 11 is 33. Alright, children, so rest of the sums of question number 3 also can be solved by you. The same way you have to do. Now let's do question number 4. Divide each of the following. So A is, I have shown a 3 of 1 by 4 divided by 1 of 1 by 8. So after converting 3 into 4, it's 12 plus 1 13 by 4 divided by 8 into 1, it's 8 plus 1 9 by 8. Now we have to do here, as the second fraction is a second fraction and it's a first fraction. So when two fraction is dividing, we have to change the sign, and the rest we have to write the second fraction reciprocal. So second fraction is the divisor 9 by 8. So reciprocal of 9 by 8 will be reciprocal of 9 by 8 is 8 by 9. Okay, 8 by 9. Now 13 by 4 into 8 by 4. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, and 13 into 2 now. 13 into 2 divided by 1 into 9. So it's 26 by 9. 26 by 9 after converting, we have got a 2 of 8 by 9. Alright, children. Now let's do the C number 1. 3 of 3 by 8 divided by 2 of 13 by 6. So what we will do here, children? These at first we will convert into, as both are the mixed fraction. So after converting, we have got here it's 24 plus 3, 27 by 8 divided by 16 into 2 plus 13 is 45 by 16. Alright. So now what we have to do, second fraction is here, this one reciprocal will be 16 by 45, and this sign also we have to change, it's multiplication. Alright. Now according to the rule we have done, so we have to do we are looking for now how we can reduce it in the lowest term, or we can common or cancel out by the common factor. So you can see here 9 5 is 45, 9 3 is 27, we have done it. Now here 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Alright children, now what we have got, 3 into 2 and down is 1 into 5, so it's 6 by 5, and 6 by 5 we can write as a 1 of 1 by 5. Okay, as 5 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5. Okay children, now let's do that question of f. 3 of 1 by 2 divided by 4 of 1 by 5. Now children, here what we will do here, 7, after converting we have got here 7 by 2 divided by 21 by 5, and this one side we have changed this 5 by 21, its sign is into, so now we can do here 7 into 5. So if you multiply this way, 7 into 5 and 2 into 21 as numerator at this, so it will 35 by 42, and 35 means 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, so 5 by 6, this is the result. And this work also you can do here also, as here also you can do 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is it's 21, so we can do this way also. 5 by 23 is 6. Okay, this way also you can solve, or you can write this way also. Thank you children, I hope that's clear to you now. Rest of the sums we will do in our next class.